There, so today we have another review. This is a beer from Three Sons Brewing. Cool that this stuff is being distributed. This is, what the hell? Dania Beach, yeah. This is pretty much outside of Florida, Orlando, sorry. And this is Three Sons. So Three Sons, Corey was a former home brewer, did very well impression-wise at Hunapoo Day, known for his adjunct sweeter stouts and barrel-aged stouts, and so really cool. This is a IPA though, Intergalactic Chimpstronaut. So fun label on that. That's a cool fun label. You guys like, you know, it has some foil on there. Is it a monkey out in space? Cool. So beer. Oh wow, some chunky chunks. I don't know if you guys. Yeah, you can probably see that, right? Yeah, there's big chunky chunks in there. So that's probably yeast or proteins. I don't know. I actually don't know when this is canned as well. The canning, yeah, it doesn't really say. So it has a label, it has a date on it, or has words on there, but it doesn't really say anything. Beer has poor head retention. This looks pretty bad actually. Or like large bubble head on there. The beer though is pretty nice, like gold color. But yeah, that's a really large bubble head. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a very large bubble head. And also like sort of when you get the carbonation going. But yeah, that's a bad sign, I think, at least. I get some of that like citrus, lemon, orange peel, a little bit of sweet mango. But pretty faint. Cheers. Yeah, it doesn't taste oxidized or smell oxidized. That's a hazy beer. I mean, pretty much what people are asking for. A little bit of hop bite. Not so much hop burn, but definitely noticeable astringent drying character on the back end. You know, that's the, what is that? It's like the standard of the industry, you know, it's like the Coca-Cola of sodas. It's just like what you expect, you know, like, or probably a bad analogy. I'm trying to think what a good analogy would be, but anyway. That's what you expect. I mean, it doesn't pop too much on the nose. It's not distinctly too hoppy. I mean, it definitely has some hop flavor. So it's got like, I get lemon zest. I get a little bit of like wheat oat character. So there's like a wheat cracker in the middle, a little bit of dough. On the back end, there's a little bit of like rose petal. A little bit of like green bite, so it's just like, you know, chlorophenol, kind of just like, you know, munching on greens, arugula, endive. It's just like kind of like a little bit of like, it's not really that spicy, so it's like more like it's a little bit bitter, so more of that kind of chlorophenol, kind of just like green vegetable character / hop character. Dries out. Pretty clean beer. What is this beer? This one rocks in at 8.4. Wow, this packs a punch. Wow. This beer honestly drinks like 6.8, 7, 7.2, 7.5. Really nice and slightly aqueous mouthfeel. Like just a little bit of that like bumped up kind of adjunct grain in there. Possibly it could be full malt. So it could be a full malt beer, but now you notice it, and now you're drinking more. There's a little bit of warmth going down, but super drinkable. It's actually a really good job for people that are looking for just like pure, you know, 2018, 2020 haze bros. Love it. Got like some amount of fruity hop character. Mouthfeel's pretty good. Drying. Hides this booze really well. Mouthfeel's not crazy. That helps it offer drinkability. So it's an absolute crusher. For me, not for my palate, but I would give this a, what would I give this? I would give this an 88, right? No, 90. I would give this a 90. So this is Three Sons Chimpstronaut, Intergalactic Chimpstronaut, absolutely fantastic. Again, for the haze bros out there, I think this would probably hit like a 90, $6.97, $98, somewhere around there, like world-class realm. For me, you know, I just have a different palate on what I prefer in New England IPA. Until next time, guys, I hope that makes sense to you. If you guys have a preference, post in the comments below. What is your palate on New England IPA? Cheers. Later.